Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, let me introduce our team. My name is Halmari Madani Kusumadewi, and my partner Sally Ferrani from Physics Education, and Eka Cahya Prima from International of Science Education. I want to say thank you for giving me chance to present my results in MSCI. And my result is development of standardized tests to assess the students' 21st century skills based on real laboratory in time and physics measurement topics. Okay, next. Education is facing an incredible increase in knowledge. This increase in knowledge is due to the development of media and technology. From this argument, it is known that the rapid development of media and technology is one of characteristics of the 21st century. Life in 21st century requires a variety of skill that must be mastered by someone. Okay, skill must be mastered by someone is there is communication, collaboration, creativity, and critical thinking. Okay, next, curriculum and 21st century skills. The above explanation is indirectly that the skills of 21st century are very important for learners to have. This is evidenced by the enactment of the 2013 curriculum in Indonesia, which is aligned with achievement of 21st century skills by learners. Various learning innovation that have high academic legitimacy and are relevant to demands of global society have been demonstrated by educators in the classroom. One from innovation is to design learning programs that can provide opportunities for learners to develop the skill needed in the 21st century. Okay, next. But in 21st century have problem. The problem is not easy to implement properly, especially related to the variants that exist in our school, which have different facilities, teacher quality, leadership quality, and also the quality of information and carrying capacity. So, and I make a conclusion from the problem in this world on Indonesia, and I make research about development standardized tests to measure 21st century skills, or we can call 4Cs, based of activities experimental. Next. Methods we use in this research. We use research and development, or we can call R&D. And we are using ADD development model of design this research. 4 steps we are using from ADD development model. First is analysis. In analysis, we are study of literature, analyze topics, and choose project. And project we choose is time measurement and physics measurement of topics. Second step, we do development ideas of project and experiment, composing open-ended test and give to the student, construct answer option. Okay, about experiment, we choose about gravity, and we are measure about coins or coins. We measure about length and mass. That experiment we do. Okay, second, do validation from we are do validation, and we are give validation sheets to experts to find out indicators of problem. And if from experts have comment, we are revise like that. For steps implementation and evaluation, we're not yet to do for the steps like that. So steps we are use we are do until now is analyze, design, and development. Next, result and discussion. Uh, as you can see, this is validation sheets. Okay, validation sheets that have been given to experts to find out the indicators of problems with the material submitted in the study have not validated because there are still errors in the making of problem items and non-conformity. With the indicators show that there needs to be revisions related to validation of the suitability of the problem item with conformity. Okay. So next, this is limited test results. The point of question that have been proved validity are then arranged into two packages of 21 century skills. Package 1 consists of 16 multiple choice for question the subject of measurement of length and mass, and package 2 consists of 60 multiple choice 21 century skill question for the subject matter, or we untuk for package 2 we use project measurement of time. The total number of tests is 32 about 21 30 skills. Okay. The problem point that have been tested to test student or continue by calculating empirical validity, test reliability, difficult level, and this differentiating power. And we are using ANATEST. And as you can see, this limited test results, the reliability of the test that has been shown that this test includes good criteria so that it can be used as assessment. Second, in the matter of critical indicators, there are still questions that are not valid because of an error in the item. Third, in the matter of collaboration indicators, there are still questions that are not valid because of an error in the item. Fourth, in the matter of communication indicators, there are still questions that are not valid because of an error in the item. Last, in the matter of creativity indicators, there are still questions that are not valid because of an error in the item. Next, package 2, limited test result package 2. The reliability of the test that has been shown that this includes a good criteria so that it can be used as assessment tool for package 2 and package 1. Second, in the matter of critical indicators, there are questions that are valid. Third, in the matter of collaboration indicators, there are still questions that are not valid because of an error in the item. Fourth, in the matter of communication indicators, there are still questions that are not valid because of an error in the item. Last, in the matter of creativity indicators, there are questions that are valid. So, in package 2, there are valid two indicators. First, critical, and 2, creativity. Okay, next conclusion. This 21 century skill test is still not validated because it is the first design of 21 century skills and requires follow-up to the making of details. So some problems still need to improve, especially on questions related to reliability data. Related to the 21 century skill test that was tested, there are two materials. namely measurement of mass and length, and then measurement of time. Calculation of empirical validity and reliability, that in the material measurement of the length and mass has a high reliability and the test has a low validity, while for time measurement has high reliability and valid reliability. Okay, so that's my presentation. Sorry for so much uh, wrong about my words and my tense. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.